A pile driving machine hammers piles under a frame house. A detailed animation of this process is needed. Creating a detailed animation of a pile driving machine hammering piles under a frame house involves several steps. Here's a breakdown of how you can approach this process. 1. Research and gather references. Begin by studying and collecting reference materials such as images, videos, and technical specifications of pile driving machines and frame houses. This research will help you understand the mechanics and movements involved in the process. 2. Plan the animation. Create a storyboard or a rough sketch to plan the sequence of events in your animation. This will help you visualize the different stages and camera angles required for the animation. 3. Model the assets. Use a 3D modeling software like Blender or Maya to create 3D models of the pile driving machine, piles, and the frame house. Ensure that the models are accurate and detailed, paying attention to the machine's components, pile shapes, and the structure of the house. 4. Rig and animate the machine. Rigging involves creating a digital skeleton for the pile driving machine, enabling you to control its movements realistically. Animate the machine's actions, including the hammering motion, the machine's movement, and any other relevant parts like the crane arm or hydraulic pistons. 5. Simulate the pile driving process. Utilize physics simulation tools within your chosen software to simulate the interaction between the hammer and the piles. This will help you achieve realistic collision and deformation effects. Adjust parameters such as impact force and pile resistance to accurately represent the pile driving process. 6. Animate the frame house. Animate the frame house to show its reaction to the pile driving process. This could include slight vibrations, movement, or any other visual effects that convey the impact of the hammering on the structure. 7. Lighting and texturing. Apply appropriate textures to the models, ensuring that they accurately represent the materials used in the real-world scenario. Set up realistic lighting to enhance the visual quality of the animation and create a believable environment. 8. Camera work and composition. Plan camera movements and angles to showcase the pile driving process effectively. Use multiple camera shots to capture different perspectives, such as close-ups of the hammering action, wide shots of the entire process, and shots that highlight the interaction between the machine and the house. 9. Rendering and post-processing. Render the animation frames using the software's rendering engine. Once rendered, you can enhance the final result through post-processing techniques like color grading, adding depth of field, or adding other visual effects to enhance the overall look and feel. 10. Editing and final touches. Import the rendered frames into a video editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. Arrange the frames, add transitions, and synchronize the animation with appropriate sound effects or background music. Make any necessary adjustments to improve the overall quality of the animation. By following these steps, you can create a detailed animation showcasing the process of a pile driving machine hammering piles under a frame house.